Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here to give you a review on some hair I purchased. I purchased. What? I purchased from AliExpress. This is my first time purchasing from AliExpress. I was really scared to purchase from there because I can't feel the hair and I don't know what the quality is of the hair, so I just took a chance. The hair I've got installed now is from Riya hair on AliExpress, and the name is Riya, Riya hair on AliExpress. Initially when I first got that, when I first seen the hair on the site, I was like, because they had a lot of reviews. Sometimes you can't just go by reviews because you don't know if these people are paying for the reviews or what. So I was like, I don't know, but they did have a lot of good ones, and they may have had like a few uh, negative comments on there too. So you gotta think in your mind like, should I believe the negative ones or should I just go with the positive ones? So I jumped the gun, y'all. I'm like, you know what? I can't keep trying to find hair. Like, even when you go to the beauty supply store and you're purchasing hair and you thinking like, dang, I want to just have good hair. Now you're gonna take a chance, right? So the wig was initially $89. It got it in a 12-inch, and I cut it. This side right here is shorter than this side over here, and I did cut it into a bob. I can't even express to y'all how glad I am for just taking the chance on this hair. This is probably some of the best. I've had curly hair before that I paid like $250 for, and it was Burmese curly hair. I mean, the hair was okay. It was good. I used it maybe 2 or 3 times for a sew-in, so it lasted me. But this hair, y'all, Riya on AliExpress. Girl, when you wet this hair, y'all know how y'all be imagining y'all be at the beach and you just get up out of the water and then it's like all pretty and this it. This is it, baby. And y'all know this is dry hair. If you can run your fingers through dry curls, baby, ain't no sense of questioning it. Like, seriously, because anytime you can run your hair, your hands through curly hair, it's bomb, because y'all know how curly hair tends to tangle quicker than straight hair or anything. But this hair is actually bomb. Now, I would think this hair would be in the hundreds, close to the $200 range, but $89, it was like, what, you told me a deal? That was just amazing. If y'all hear somebody talking in the background, it's my son. All of a sudden he had to sing and make his cars flip and all that kind of stuff when I get on the camera. Y'all know. Y'all got kids. I'm pretty sure somebody on here got kids that's watching me. But yeah, this hair is bomb. Don't be scared to purchase it. You all can read the reviews on there and think for yourself, but I'm here to tell you guys, honey. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Like, stop playing with me. Like, this hair is bomb. I can't express that enough. I thought, for $89, I'm like, shh, man, this shit finna be stiff. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got time for that. I really didn't. So I just took a chance on it, and I'm like, why did I wait so long? Like, where you been? Like, where you been my whole life? But yeah, look at it. Come on now. It's beautiful hair. So don't be scared to go on AliExpress and look for some hair. I was scared, and I just took a chance and look. You see? So yeah, if you want to get on AliExpress, just always like read the reviews. If they got more bad reviews than they do good, I would say, kind of pass on that one. Look for somebody that's got more positive reviews than bad reviews. I did pluck this part, and if you see some white right here, it's just my spray, got to be spray. I think that's what it was. Yeah, that I used. But yeah, this unit is bad as y'all. Bad. So yeah, don't think twice. Just get it. I mean, I'm not saying go on AliExpress and just choose another vendor that has hair like this. I only know about Riya, Riya hair on AliExpress. Um, you won't be disappointed from this hair. But yeah, I just wanted to give you all a rundown. I did order a 12-inch. I cut it asymmetric, short on this side, long on the other side. When it did come, it took about 4 days. It didn't have any gifts or anything like that in the box, so I know a lot of other people had gifts in theirs. I think I had a hair net. I didn't have a hair cap. I just had a hair net. I don't know what I would have done with the net, but yeah, I didn't need it. I'm not complaining at all. I mean, the quality of the hair could have came in a trash bag, and I'd have been happy. Period. Like for real. Hey. But yeah, this is hey. some good hair. Tell the people, hey baby. All right. But yeah, y'all run to Riya hair on AliExpress. The wig was $89. I got an initial 12-inch. You can cut it. It was long. It was like, you see how long this is for a 12-inch. So yeah, and I just cut it. But yeah, Riya Riya hair. Ow, ow, ow. Let me quit playing. If y'all wondering about my lashes, they are Love Flare lashes from my beauty supply store. They are $2.59. They are bomb lashes, if y'all can see. But yeah, check that out. You won't be disappointed. And remember to comment down below, like this video, share this video, do whatever you want to this video. Just do what y'all gotta do. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.